Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm gonna show you whether the system have YouTube or not. You can check it into the different way. Let's go to the first way. First, go to your start button, go to the settings, go to the devices, Bluetooth, printer and mouse, and click on your Bluetooth and other device. Here, if your system has a Bluetooth, it will appear the Bluetooth with the on and off icons. But in the system, you can see that there's a no Bluetooth on and there's no on and off buttons. So this means that the system doesn't have a Bluetooth. So the other way to look for the Bluetooth is go to the search button and type for device manager and open your device manager. Okay, once your device manager is open, you look for the Bluetooth on, and it should be on the first one. So you can see that there is no Bluetooth anywhere. So it means that the system doesn't have the Bluetooth. This is the second way to look for the Bluetooth, whether your system has Bluetooth or not. That's it. Thank you for watching my video.